Hello, in this video we are going to solve question number 42 of GATE 2021 physics paper. The question is a function f of t is defined only for t greater than 0. The Laplace transform of f of t is defined as this. We all know this. We can write the Laplace transform of any function as in this form: integral 0 to infinity exponential minus st ft dt, where s is your Laplace operator, Laplace domain S. And similarly, the Fourier transform of the same function can be represented in this way. So we all are familiar with these two mathematical expressions of Fourier and Laplace transform. Now the question they have asked that correct statement is or are: first, both Laplace and Fourier transform of the function can be made connected. The variable s is always real. The variable s can be complex. The D option is the Fourier and the Laplace transform can never be made connected. So we have to see that whether there is some kind of relation between this Fourier and Laplace transform and whether they can be made connected. So if we just take the equation 1, which is the Laplace of 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f of t dt, and we just replace s by I omega, then we will get 0 to infinity e to the power minus I omega t f of t dt, which is nothing but your Fourier transform. So we can see that both L of Laplace and the Fourier transform are in a way connected. So option A seems correct, that both Laplace and Fourier transform can be made connected, especially in, and this Laplace operator S is actually has both real and has both real as well as complex part. So the Fourier transform is in fact a special case of the Laplace operator, which doesn't have this real part and only have this part. So Fourier transform is a special case of the Laplace transform. So in a way, they both Laplace and Fourier transform are connected, and this variable s is real and complex. It has this complex part. So option B is not correct. Option A is correct. Variable s can be complex, that is right. Option D is not correct. So option A and option C both are correct. So since in the question they have indicated they can be more than one option which can be correct, and it is true also, both option A and C are correct. So this is the answer for this given question. Thank you for watching.